Now that is delicious. Hi everyone and welcome back. Last weekend, my dad went to Gaspésie to catch some striped bass, also called stripers. The distance is around 800 kilometers and it takes around 9 hours. There you can enjoy spectacular sea and mountain scenery as far as the eye can see. Gaspésie gives you the opportunity to discover 4 national parks, famous Percé Rock, the world's most accessible northern gannet colony. Now here's some footage of my dad fishing.
Ủa, con này ngon, con này ngon. Con này to đây. Một bầy nó luôn. Con này là khỏi đo rồi. Được. Bị sai.
After a couple days of fishing with his friends, he headed back home to prepare a great meal with the stripers. Hello and welcome back. What do we have today? Here we have striped bass, and they also call this stripers. Yes. This is the one we caught from Gaspésie. So these one are steamed, and we are going to roll them with the herbs, vegetables, and vermicelli. These are bamboos and dry fungus. Here we also have the internal organs of the fish, which apparently is very tasty. I haven't tried yet, but I may. So, how am I going to roll this? We begin by soaking the rice paper in it's a warm water. Here you go. 1 piece of rice paper. Oh, by the way, we have 2 dippings. The first sauce is the fish sauce. The fish sauce, and the second one is the anchovy sauce. It's fermented. And here is the bottle. In case you guys are interested, you can purchase in any Asian market. Alright, so I have the rice paper. Now we're going to put some lettuce, preferably 1 big piece. This, and we can add a bit more if we want. And we have the perillas. Next we have the mint. Here you go. Put it on top. Alright, and then we add some cucumber. Here you go. Okay, let's take a good chunk of this. Oh wow! Just gonna taste it, okay? Let's taste. Mmm. Oh. Oh goodness. Wonderful. So we take a big piece. We add it to our rice paper. There you go. Beautiful. Maybe one more. Oh yeah. And finally, we have the vermicelli. Oh yeah. And here. The last step, we roll it. All right, dip in. Bon appetit. Mmm. 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 Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Now this is delicious. Wow. Here. Free publicity for Heineken. Wow. Oh. No joking, I can eat probably tens of these rolls. Mm. 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 The final bite. Mm. Mm. That's my baby crying. I'm just gonna try this. This is the eggs. It's a bit chewy. Look. Beautiful. Wow. Oh. Not bad. Not bad. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like it. I'll see you next time.